Hello everyone and welcome to our quilling video. Today we'll be showing you how to make these boondoggle woven earrings. Boondoggling is a form of weaving. Like we've shown you before, paper weaving, this is another form of weaving. In this we've used 4 colors. You can use 2 colors or you can even make it with a single color. We're going to make this in red and pinks today. For this, what we need are 4 strips in 3 mm. These are our regular quilling strips, 17-inch length, and we have it in 4 colors: red, dark pink, light pink and white. Now we're going to stick them together with a little glue. First we're going to place our strips according to the color that we need. We're going to go in gradation: red, dark pink, light pink and then white, like this. Now we'll stick them together and start weaving. Now we've stuck our strips together, you can see, like this. So now we're going to start weaving. You can start weaving from any side you want. This is our first strip. We're going to turn it over like this. Then we'll take the second strip like this. The third one will go over it like this, and the fourth strip we're going to take under the first one that we did here. Taking it under the red one like this. And we're going to get a square over here. Gently pulling these. We're going to pull them in the direction we've taken them, like this. Don't pull them sideways, just pull them straight in the direction that we've crossed them over, like this. And we'll get a tiny little square. This is going to be a starting stitch for the weaving. Now we're going to start our weaving. We'll take a strip which we have on top and we're going to cross it over this side, but we're not going to take it straight now. We'll take it towards the right, crossing over this strip like this. We've just taken this strip, but we're not going to take it straight. Take it towards the right between the 2 strips like this. The second strip we're going to cross over and take between the second and the third one. Then the third strip we're going to cross over, again taking it between these 2 like this. And then we'll take a fourth strip and take it under the first one. The first one was the light pink strip, so we're going to take a white one under this like this. We've done a similar square stitch like we did for our base stitch, but by taking it at an angle, we're going to get the design that we want. We've already shown you how to make the basic square stitch paper weaving. For that you can go to our paper weaving earring video. Now we're going to repeat this again, doing a similar stitch, like taking it between these 2 towards the right. Then taking this one between the second and the third one. The third one between the other 2 like this. And the fourth one under the first one that we did, like this. Gently taking it out and gently pulling our strips. Don't need to tuck too hard or your strips will tear. Just gently pulling them in the direction that we've taken them, like this. We'll continue doing this till we come to the end of our strips. Now we're almost done weaving. You can see the pattern that it is making. We're going to weave just a little more, and then we're going to stick the loose ends together and cut off the extra pieces. Like this. I'm going to just stick our loose ends together, taking our glue. Just folding it like this and holding it here so that it will give it time to stick. And going on to the next color, folding it and holding it down like this. There we have a fourth color. Now we're going to let the strips dry and then we'll cut off the extra lengths. It is dry now, so we're going to just hold it like this and cut off the extra length. Careful not to spoil our design. There we have a tube that we've made with our dongle. Now to make it into this earring like this, we're going to fold it like this, and then we're going to stick this end together, holding it like this. There we get a round like this. I'm going to apply a little glue here and we're going to fold it over like this. We might have to hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds till the paper takes hold of the glue so that it doesn't open up. After it is dry, then we'll complete the other parts of our earring. You can see our wreath is now stuck. Here we have our two rounds for the earrings like this. We have half a strip in white color. You can take any color matching to the earrings you've made, and we'll cut it into 2 1/4 like this. Then we're going to make tight circles out of these. Pulling it. Using a little glue, we're going to stick it. These rounds we are going to use to hang our hooks from the earrings. Like here you can see. We've used a hook and a jump ring to make this into an earring. Now we'll take a round that we've made We are going to just apply glue here and stick this on. We will have to wait for the glue to dry out and then we can attach our earring and hook. This one is already dry, so we'll show you how to make this. Here we have a jump ring and an earring hook, and we'll need a pair of tweezers with a flat nose. We're going to just open our jump ring like this using our tweezers. There we have a tight circle that is stuck onto our earring now, and taking it through this like this, putting in our hook and closing our jump ring like this. There we have our boondoggle earrings. You can see this now. If you liked our video, you can also watch our other paper weaving video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching our video.